Good day, guys, everyone. Now let's take a look at Euro USD. We want to see where the price will be moving, right? But before we get started, if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so. Just click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I want to watch out for it. Let's take a look at Euro USD, starting with the daily time frame. We would look at it from the daily time frame and also look at it with our USD index. On this daily time frame, we all can clearly see that this Euro USD is actually on a bearish move, full trend. We will consider the price is dropping, right? And I've also included this moving average, which is 10. I'm using 10 period moving average. We all consider this price is still below 10 period moving average, meaning we are still on a bearish move. Now, if you notice something, is that you see that this price was actually dropping, right? We can see this movement from here. Price actually dropped. Let's start this movement from here. Drop, right? Since we are on a bearish move on the full trend, then we can see this as a pullback, right? After this pullback, we are expecting another drop, right? To actually break this previous lows on our Euro USD. Right, but when you see it here, you see that we are having a pullback at this level, right? So I mean, is it okay? Yes, definitely it is not okay. It is not bad. So is this pullback actually over? Well, I don't think the pullback is over. I think the pullback will still go up a little bit before we see a drop. So this is exactly what I am saying. The reason is that if you take a look at this movement on this pullback, we see that there was actually pullback upward at this level. The price did not just go up straight, right? Take a look at this movement. We saw an impulse move, right? A pullback upward here, then the impulse move again appeared, right, before we actually get that drop. So definitely, as we're having this drop, a pullback should occur. The drop will not just happen and break this low, this previous lows. The drop will happen and also give us a pullback, right, on this Euro USD. So it is exactly what we are all expecting on Euro USD. So once this drop has occurred, then a pullback should happen. After the pullback, then another drop. So is this pullback over? Definitely not. We would want to see it actually at least get to this level where it once reacted to before. So that once this price go to this level, a pullback occurred, then it pushes up. So now that we are dropping and the pullback is occurring here, so I don't think the pullback is over yet until the pullback go bullish move. At least we still have about 100 pips bullish move to be made at least before we now see that drop again. And another reason why we will still have a little bit of a bullish move to be made on Euro USD is that if you notice it, price has also reacted at this level before. We saw it, price once reacted here, right? See it, price also once reacted here, and price do react at a certain level. Once price gets to a level, right, price definitely do react at a level. So if you notice that since that price has reacted here, price has reacted here, so there's high probability that this price will push up to this level here before we see a drop. At least we should kind of see it go up at least to 0.98430, at least to that level. Once we go up, then we should see a little bit of a drop on Euro USD. So notice that Euro USD, we are on a bearish move, but before we continue that bearish move, we are on a pullback level. So this pullback level is a bullish move. So once we have close to 100 pips bullish move that is to be made, we would get another drop on Euro USD. So we still have a little bit of a bullish move to be made before the drop occurred. Now let's confirm it on our USD index. Now this is the USD index, right? This is the bullish move, and we are on our USD, meaning as the USD is giving us the bullish move, any other pair we are trading to our USD will definitely be dropping, right? Now take a look at this USD index. This was an higher highs, then higher lows happened here, then we add new higher highs and a new higher lows was made, then we add this higher highs, right? Now that we have had this higher highs, of course we expect a higher lows, which happened. Now we've having another higher highs. This new higher highs we are making should actually break this previous higher highs here, right? The price should get to the level and break above it. But before it get there, we kind of see like a pullback, like like impulse move, pullback, then another impulse move. Now Now, if we take a look at this USD index, we are on a pullback level on this higher highs. So is this pullback level over? To be able to predict it, we would actually want to drop to the 4-hour time frame. We all know price react at a certain level. Now let's highlight a key level here. This is a level 1. Price go to this level and it's dropped. We also see it drop down to this level, then it pushes up. We also see it at this level. Once it broke below it, it came to test this level, right? Then we saw a little bit of a drop. So this is likely the level. This is likely the level that price will come to react to before we see that drop. As price do react at a certain level. Once price gets to a level, it will definitely react. So we're very much likely to see a drop on this USD index before we see that bullish move. So as this USD index is giving us this drop as we are predicting here, then we would see a bullish move on our euro to USD. So as that USD index is giving us a bearish move, then this euro to the USD should actually give us that bullish move. Then as soon as this price now starts correcting itself by giving us a bullish move, then we will now see a drop on our euro USD. So watch out for it. There's probability of this price reacting to this level, coming to this level and drop. And then let's see it on this 4-hour time frame also. So I mean, take a look at this level, right? Price has also reacted at this level. See, the price has also reacted here, right? I mean, once price broke below it, so it tested there, came here to test it, and definitely price is rising up. The next level is this level we can see that we've highlighted, which is here at least a level of 0.98590. We still have close to 100 pips bullish move to be made. At least here is about 83 pips. So I mean, once we have that, close to 100 pips bullish move, then we would see a drop on euro USD.